The motor assembly consists of a complete motor, the spindle lockout sprocket, the spindle bearing, and the drive shaft milled to accept the collet and nut. Over time, the motor can wear out, or it can be overloaded, causing it to fail quickly. The lockout sprocket can be worn, the bearing can seize, or the threads or collet taper can be damaged. Replacing the motor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. On the back of the housing, there's a clip, and I'll remove it. Now I can remove the motor. I'll pull the motor from the housing and then remove the wire connections. I'll also remove the collet nut and the collet. Now I can install the new motor assembly. First I'll connect the wires. Notice that one of the terminals on the motor is marked with a red dot, and that's for the red wire. I'll connect the black wire to the opposite terminal, and then the red. And now I can place the motor back into the housing. Now I can reinstall the housing. And I'll secure it with the screws. I'll slide the clip back into place. And that's all it takes to replace the motor on your Dremel tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.